Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at some of the key features of the OnePlus 43Y1 43-inch TV. This new 43-inch Full HD Smart TV is an extension of the company's Y series and packs a whole lot of tech. The 43-inch TV is a Full HD TV with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The TV runs on Android TV and also comes with OnePlus's OxygenPlay UI. It also supports Google Assistant and Chromecast. Running on Android 9, users get access to the Google Play Store. You can download all popular streaming services such as Netflix, Prime Video and much more from the Play Store. The TV boasts of a bezel-less display, giving the TV a 93% screen-to-body ratio. It also comes with a OneConnect app. You can control all the functions of the TV by simply using the smartphone companion app. The TV also boasts of 20 watts of sound and support for Dolby audio. When it comes to connectivity options, the TV has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, an antenna port, an AV port and an optical port. Those are some of the key features of the OnePlus 43Y1 43-inch TV.